The Renault Kiger has recently been awarded a noteworthy 4-star adult occupant protection rating in the Global NCAP crash safety test. What that means is that even the base model as used in the test, which comes with 2 airbags, 4-channel ABS, electronic brake force distribution, seatbelt reminders, adjustable headrest, and driver's seatbelt pretensioner, will keep you safe and sound, with the highest level of protection awarded under the scoring for keeping the driver and passenger's heads safe, with the footwell area being similarly highly rated as stable. Renault also offers the Kiger with more safety equipment in the way of 4 airbags for the driver, passenger, and for side impact protection, as well as speed sensing door locks, as well as impact sensing auto unlock, all of which significantly ups the safety quotient. For reference, the Global NCAP scores are based on the findings from a frontal offset crash at 64 kmph, which simulates 2 similar cars crashing into each other at a speed of 50 kmph. That's a really significant force. Underneath the Kiger's striking design lies the answer to its ability to withstand those kinds of forces whilst keeping the occupants safe. And that is the CMF A+ platform on which it's built, along with its high tensile strength steel construction. Safety features such as the seatbelt load limiter and pretensioner all work together to hold an occupant in place in the event of a crash and severely lessen the chances of injury. So you can rest assured that no matter which variant of the Renault Kiger you choose, you'll stay well protected.